Hi, I'm Kerry-Ann Pearce and I work at St Kevin's Primary School at Benoit. So from our workshop today we had a Year 4 class and was based on life cycles. So the children were engaged with hands-on experiences with mealyworms, composting worms and water bugs that Alicia had caught for us prior to the session. And we also got to look at 2 stick insects and the whole life cycle of eggs, nymphs and the adult. And the children got to actually touch the stick insects, which was definitely a highlight. Alicia's been absolutely amazing. As I said, we've had 8 sessions with Alicia, so it's been lovely to have that continuity and consistency for myself and my staff, even though it's the first time for the students. But yeah, she has a wealth of knowledge. She's exceptionally passionate about what she does. She has a beautiful way of engaging the children and providing those hands-on opportunities. Hopefully will give those kids a really memorable experience. As a facilitator, I think it's really important that we access these opportunities that are available to us. If you can pop onto the Natura Pacific website, they run a whole heap of programs, curriculum aligned, tailored to each year level. That's how I found the link to Natura Pacific, and Megan and Alicia sorted everything from there for us.